Your SKAN Pro platform allows you to develop, retain, and acquire top talent. From your SKAN Pro dashboard, you will see fields identified as pending applicants and completed applicants. You can send assessments to the people who apply for positions. We'll talk about applicants in a moment. Let's talk about employees. Pending employee SKAN assessments. From here, you can send invitations to each employee, one at a time, or all in a group by clicking this tab. The completed employee SKAN assessments allows you to get a quick view of each employee's results from their SKAN assessment. This allows you to know exactly how to develop each employee uniquely according to their needs. If you've purchased SKAN 360 as an add-on, you will be able to download their reports from this field. If you've purchased Executive Coaching as an add-on, you will download the reports from that field. Click Employees. Import Employees. Here you will be able to upload your entire employee Excel spreadsheet and identify how you want those fields displayed in your platform. Add a single employee. Enter the name of the new employee, the location if you have multiple locations that they'll be working at, and the department that they work in. Enter their email address and phone number if applicable, and be sure to declare them as active. If an employee leaves, you declare them as inactive. Save your work. Manage employees. From this field, you will be able to manage all of your employees. You can filter by location, department, search by name, and always remember to hit the search button. From here, you can also send invitations to the SKAN assessment. Applicants. If you have a position open, identify that position here. Type in the name of the position that you are hiring for and save your work. Add the applicant. For all the candidates that apply for the position, enter their name, an email address, and select the position they're applying for. Save your work. You will do this for each applicant. Manage all of your applicants. Once you entered them in, you can send the invitation to the assessment from here. My Company. You can customize your SKAN Pro page by clicking this icon. Upload your logo. Change your color scheme. Edit the banner image. And change your email template unique to your organization. Remember, this only shows up on the email that you send out. Enter your social media URLs. And you can view the email before it goes out, but always remember to update your work for each field. Enter the departments that exist in your organization. Click Add and type in the department and save your work. Add locations for your organization. If you have multiple locations, click Add and add the location. This is your SKAN Pro platform. Navigate, manage, and retain top talent.